The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gratiot County in central Iowa, southern Tama County in central Iowa, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hardwick, or 14 miles northeast of Montezuma, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Toledo, Montezuma, Tama, Brooklyn, Dysart, Victor, Holiday Lake, Malcolm, Deep River, Chelsea, Cloutier, Elberon, Hardwick, Guernsey, Vining, and Toledo Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 188 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.